Stay on.
I'd like to welcome you guys to Tunnelton, Indiana. Today was one of the days that I was looking forward to for the last 3 weeks. We are going to visit a haunted tunnel. It's called Big Tunnel, and it's right up that trail right behind me. As we're headed up there, I'll tell you more about the tunnel. Good Lord.
Cow, that's noisy.
Oh, it's so beautiful though. Oh my God. Honestly, I'm not sure which trail to go up because this one right here is extremely steep. Holy, let me show you. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is dang near straight up, but the other one's not so bad. So I guess we find it, we find it. If we don't, we don't. Bugs are horrible down here. All right, guys, real quick, let me give you a little bit of history. The tunnel was built in 1857. Okay, it is still very much an active train tunnel. And just to let you know, when we do get there, there's going to be a lot of graffiti. Lots of graffiti. And some of the graffiti may be curse words. And you can tell a lot of people's been here. It's a mess. So I'll tell you more about it. But right now, let's get some of this trail. Actually, the trail itself is quite beautiful. If memory serves me correct, at the top of this hill, we should get our first glimpse of the tunnel. And there she is. Oh my Lord. That's quite the hike. Now, during the building of this tunnel, it's actually reported it goes underneath the graveyard. That hill kicked my butt a little bit. And as they was building the tunnel, some of the graves actually came through. There's also reported some deaths while they was building the tunnel. The tunnel is 1,700 feet long. It goes into a curve and there's going to be graffiti everywhere. So if you see curse words, I'm sorry. I can't hide that. And we're going to need a light. So Ange, you ready to go through the tunnel? Oh. And bugs are everywhere down here. This is going to be a non-stop, guys, all the way to the other side. I'm not going to turn the GoPro off. So here we go.
Hold on, I gotta get the light.
She's got to get the lights ready. It is going to be dark. Oh my gosh, look at this rock up through here. It's so beautiful. Oh my Lord, look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, while we're waiting for Ange, I was planning on hiking, going through the tunnel and hiking over the top, but I decided against that because there's not really trails up there. And I don't want to take any chances of getting hurt here. So guys, we'll start filming once we get going through. Now this is a very active tunnel, so a train can come through at any time. But they have cutouts in the wall that we could dip into just in case that happens. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. We drove 100 miles, guys, to get here. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh, here's the cutouts. You and I can squeeze in one of them.
Bugs are crazy.
Oh my God, this is so beautiful though. These rocks are a little hard to walk on, aren't they?
Yeah.
I may walk on the track. I said I wasn't going to do that, but I'm going to. Tell you what, hold back for the pictures till we get back.
I was scratching a bug bite.
The reason I say that, because it's going to get awful dark through here. Is my light even on?
Yes, it's on. You want to turn mine on?
Yeah, please. This ain't much light. It's so quiet in here. Okay, we're about maybe 50 feet, no, 25 feet from the end. Then we're gonna turn back around and walk back through. Oh man. You know what I smell here?
What?
I smell grease, real strong. Yeah. Real strong smell of grease from the tracks, I think. Did you hear that sound?
Yeah.
No, that was back behind us.
Oh, the one behind us?
Oh, that one.
I didn't hear the one behind. Oh, wires.
Good, now we're coming out of the tunnel. Then we're gonna turn around, walk right back through. Oh, there it is. That's where the sound's coming from. It's hard to detect sounds in here. Oh, it might get a little wet. I don't want to get the GoPro wet. Let's walk through real quick. There we go. We made it through the tunnel, guys. There's where the water's coming from, right there. Big tunnel. That is one dark tunnel. Now we're going to head back and go through to the other side where we came from. Like I said before, we drove 100 miles to get here just to walk through this very dark tunnel. Not for the part of it being haunted, mainly for the historical part of it. But if a ghost wants to jump in and get on my channel, that's fine by me. Now listen, if we can walk the track back, it's an easier walk. Okay? Alright guys, I'm not going to do any videoing all the way through, because you can't see anything, I'm sure of it. So we'll see you on the other side. Okay, I record a little bit until we run out of light. Oh my God, look at that. So beautiful straight ahead. Look at that though. Oh my gosh. Now we're going to go through another tunnel Tuesday back at Clifty Falls. And we're supposed to be going camping tomorrow. But this is a very, very good adventure right here. I have to say this is one of my top adventures yet. Hear that?
The birds.
Birds. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful through here though. Oh my Lord. You feel the coolness though? The temperature dropped at least 30 degrees. And there's actually an airflow coming through. I hope that wasn't a piece of glass I just stepped on. And honestly, you can't see the graffiti on the walls.
No.
So that's a good thing.
Shine up.
Yeah.
Shine the light on it.
I mean, all the other videos now, if you guys ever want to watch this on YouTube, there's plenty of videos about it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and kill the camera. turn off the GoPro, and videotape on the other side. Okay, we're almost at the end of the tunnel. I probably won't need this light on no more if I can figure out how to turn it off. Did I turn it off? Nope. Here we go. We can feel the heat coming from the outside. Oh, that's so cool. But guys, it's not a bad tunnel. It's not a bad adventure. You're going to have a lot of back roads to get here. The only fear I had about coming here was my car. I was more worried about leaving my car at the bottom of the trail. The trail's a pretty good steep hill coming up, but besides that, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. And we're almost at the end. Here, I'll turn around and show you. Yeah, see? The tunnel is 1,700 feet, built in 1857, and supposedly it's built underneath a graveyard. I wanted to go up top and see if I could find that graveyard, but for safety purposes, I'm not going to do that. Because we literally are in the middle of nowhere, guys. We are miles and miles and miles away from anybody. So if we was to get hurt, we would be screwed. All right, we're coming out. And Angie's not too far behind me. She's taking pictures. You're going to probably start seeing some of the graffiti on the walls. Don't read it. Some of it may be bad words. And yeah, we completed the big tunnel. Holy. Oh, I give a full pan around. I was hoping to get a train coming through here. But guys, big tunnel. Oh, it's beautiful. It is. All right, Angie, come on up here, honey. We're going to have to get a thumbnail here. All right, guys, that will complete the tunnel. Now we're going to take the trail on down, and hopefully the car has all four wheels, but right there, big tunnel, guys. Big tunnel. Hopefully the car will still have tires. Let's get some other shots before we leave here. If you look up on YouTube, you're going to see a lot of videos of the big tunnel. Believe me, I love the hike on top of that, but safety purposes, I don't think that's going to be feasible. It wouldn't be a smart idea. But guys, I've been wanting to come here for the last 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks. I told Angie, I was like, you know, on our vacation, I want this to be one of the places we come. One of the places we come, because it has a railroad. I love my railroads. It has a tunnel. Now, I did have some problems in the tunnel because of my claustrophobic, but oh man, here's some beauty. If anything else, come here for the beauty. Oh my Lord. All right, Angie, about ready to go 100 miles back home?
Yep.
Okay. Oh yeah, we're gonna get a couple pictures to send home, right? Okay. Guys, I'll be back. All right, guys, we're gonna head back down the hill, and I hope nothing's happened to the car. That was my only fear coming here, was the things happening to the car. So we are so far away from home, I hate to be stranded in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and close it out here, okay? Guys, this has been one of the biggest adventures Angie and I have ever done. It was fun. Stay tuned for the next adventure, because we're supposed to be doing some camping. So until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure.